Hey, it's Alan Spector here every Tuesday and Thursday at this time. We bring you Olson on Law with veteran Orlando attorney Tom Olson. Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Alan and crew and WFLA listeners.
Tom, we start this morning with breaking news. There's a lot of people moving to Florida. I don't know if anybody's up on this development or not, but yes, there are people moving to Florida. And the question this morning, Tom, do these people, now that they're moving to Florida, need to redo their will or trust now that they're residents of this state?
Not necessarily. The Florida statutes say that if your will was valid when you did it in the other state, then it's going to be valid here in the state of Florida, even if it does not meet our legal requirements.
Yeah, so when you have a will or trust done, Tom, what are the other documents that usually go with it?
You have a living will, which I call a pull-the-plug document. You have a health care power of attorney and a financial power of attorney. All of those forms are specific to Florida state statutes. So even if your will is still valid, you would still want to redo those documents if you move to Florida.
There is work to do. And Tom, I always hear you telling people on your show that they need to take steps to avoid probate. We've even talked about it on these segments as well. Would that be part of what you would do for new residents?
I do that for new residents and existing residents. All your documents might be perfect, but you may not have taken steps necessary to avoid probate. At Olson Law Group, we're all about helping people to avoid probate because it's expensive and it takes a long time.
Hey, if you have legal questions about this or anything else, Tom will be happy to answer them on the aforementioned Olson on Law show, which is heard Saturdays at 10 a.m. right here on News Radio WFLA Orlando. You can also catch the Zoom version of Tom and me. We're looking especially good this morning on our social media platforms. Tom, thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you, Alan.
And remember, for all of your legal needs, call the Olson Law Group in Orlando.